bring your attention to the home screen of the FabuLingua Teacher Dashboard, this Get Started section. It's got a number of cards to walk you through the steps that you need to take. But it's come to my attention that some browsers don't have this scroll bar visible, and that in some computer setups, the screen kind of cuts off right after card 3, so you wouldn't necessarily know that there are further steps to be taken. So all you do is you sort of scroll to the right, and cards 1 to 4 are really the kind of like very logistical, like what are the steps to get set up. And it ends with downloading the app onto your student devices and using class codes. And then cards 5 to 8 are more kind of further education, so that you can really get the most out of the FabuLingua app and really understand our game, the learning path, be it how you follow student progress and the experience that the students have. But anyway, yes, make sure you click on Show Me How and follow each one of those cards, each one of those steps, in order to really get the best experience of the FabuLingua Teacher Dashboard and the FabuLingua app.